Hi, my name is Zaky. Welcome to my series called Language Learning with Zaky. In this video series, we are going to learn basic words in Wolof. Wolof is spoken in Senegal and Gambia. In this first video, we are going to learn about pronouns. So let us begin our first lesson in Wolof. First of all, to refer to yourself by saying me or I, say man. But if you want to speak to someone else, male or female, singular, then say yow. And the Wolof word for you, for more than one person, is yen. The Wolof word for we or us is nyon. To refer to a group of people as they or them, say nyom. However, the Wolof word for these people is ni, and the Wolof word for those people is nye. To refer to someone in third person or to say he or she, say mom. To refer to someone who's absent or that person, say koku. And the Wolof word for that thing is lolu. Finally, the word for something nearby or this is li. Thank you for watching my video. In the next video, we'll be learning words for asking questions in Wolof. If you'd like to learn more about Wolof language, then subscribe to this channel for more episodes.